the Tribit MaxSound Plus. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at a portable Bluetooth speaker, the Tribit MaxSound Plus. I will go over specs, features, provide audio samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, micro USB charging cable, and audio cable. And you also get a lanyard. The MaxSound Plus features 20 hours of playtime, 4 hours to fully charge, Bluetooth 4.2, 24-watt drivers, which are 45mm passive radiators, micro USB for charging, and Ipx7 Waterproof. The speaker feels solid and it has a bit of weight to it. The outer covering has a matte finish and a grippy feel. The front grille is metal and you can see the branding on the lower part. On the top of the speaker, you'll find the power button, Bluetooth button, multifunction button, volume controls, and the extra bass button. Taking a look at the back, you have the aux port, charging port, and the lanyard loop. The speaker is less than 8 inches in length, a depth of about 2 inches, and a height of approximately 2.5 inches. It weighs in at 604 grams. And now for some audio samples.
Carried all the weight on my shoulder, had me going ever once I told you no, told you no. Kept going like a marching soldier, play my part, boy, I had to hold you down, hold it down. When the tidal waves come around, then wipe off what we built.
The speaker definitely gets loud and can fill up your average size room with no problems. Bass comes in punchy for its small size, and mids and highs definitely stand out. Toggling the X bass button, you can hear the difference as the bass is dialed up a bit. Battery life is good, coming in at 20 hours, and I like the fact that it has an Ipx7 Waterproof rating. This can be a versatile speaker to take around in the outdoors or just use inside. So that is my review of the Tribit MaxSound Plus Bluetooth speaker. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.